How to delete your YouTube watch and search history? Yes, you are searching from. Welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do. Today we're going to talk about that how to delete YouTube search or watch history, because many time it happens that we search any inappropriate content or any adult sense educational informations, and after that we search feel start feeling that YouTube is recommending these type of videos or those type videos. After checking out on your front screen, you will start feeling uncomfortable in front of your parents or in front of your family or child. Then what you have to do and what you can do, you can delete the search history. If you have few search histories, you can do another thing. And if you want to clear out all out and want to start a new YouTube's life, then start again. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now let's begin to mobile phone and check out how we can do and what we can do. First of all, this one is our mobile phone, and what we have to do, we have to go to the YouTube. That is YouTube, and from there you have to click on your icon that is below over here, and after that you will see histories over here. Click on view history, and after that you will see histories like this. If you have watched a few videos about that type of content, you can remove from three dots and remove here. And if you have a shorts, you can click on this three dot and remove, sorry, watch later, not watch later, from remove from watch history. Sorry, it was not showing to you. One second. Click on this three dots and remove from watch history. Now, if you want to clear all the details and want to start a new beginning, then click on three dots upper side and click on clear all watch history. Click over here, and now it shows you clear watch history over here. When you click on this, it will clear out all the searched and watched videos, and after that you will never see suggestions like those videos, so you can start a new beginning. So that's the way how you can clear out all the search histories. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for get more videos like this. Comment down below we helped you out or not.